Bacho Kiro Cave is a fascinating and historically significant site located near the town of Dryanovo in central Bulgaria. Here are some key points about it. Location. The cave is situated about 5 kilometers west of Dryanovo in the canyons of the Andaka and Dryanovo Rivers. History. It was first opened in 1890 and became accessible to recreational visitors in 1938. The cave was renamed in honor of Bacho Kiro, a leader of the Bulgarian National Revival. Structure. The cave is a 4-story labyrinth of galleries and corridors with a total length of 3,600 meters, of which 700 meters are maintained for public access. Geological features. An underground river has carved out the galleries, creating beautiful stalactite and stalagmite formations. Some of the most notable formations include Bacho Kiro's throne, the Dwarfs, the sleeping princess, and the throne hall. Archaeological significance. The cave has yielded some of the oldest human remains in Bulgaria, dating back over 43,000 years. These remains are significant as they represent some of the earliest known Homo sapiens in Europe. Cultural importance. The cave is often visited alongside the nearby Dryanovo Monastery, making it a popular destination for tourists and history enthusiasts.